Hello everyone, I am Shivani from 3ds Max and Vray Learning. Today I am going to show you how to design a lamp in 3ds Max in a very simple way. So I am very excited to share these techniques with you. So let's get started. I press Alt W on my keyboard to make a maximize viewport. So the first object I'll go to the box. You just drag this up. Or keyboard entry, so I'll take it length and width is 10 feet and height is 1 inches. Click the create and here we have a flooring. Okay, so the next we have two walls. So what we do, first select the flooring and press shift on my keyboard and drag this up, then go to the rotate tool and put y axis is 90. Here we have our first wall. Adjust it properly, then same procedure to second wall. Okay, so here we have our wall and flooring. Adjust it properly on the top view. If you want to go the top view into the perspective view, press T on the keyboard. Okay, so I'll change the color of flooring and the walls. Okay, so the next we are create the model of lamp. First go to the top view and select the cylinder in command panel and drag this up. Then go to the modify and change the radius and height. Then I increase the sides and height segments also. Next I'll take sphere and create in the top view. Adjust it properly on the perspective view. Then I'll go to the modify and change radius and segments. Next select the cylinder and copy this z-axis. Okay, so I will change the radius and height of this cylinder. Okay, so the last object I will take the cone and create in a top view. Adjust it properly in the front view. Then go to the modify, change radius 1, radius 2 and height. I will increase the sides also. Next go to the modify list and select the taper. Adjust amount and curves. You shape it as per your requirement also. Okay, so this is done. You can see that the cone is still not smooth surfaces. So go to the modify option and increase the height segments. So our model is ready and the next part is material. Before setting the material, we set the render settings. For the render settings, press F10 on the keyboard and select the presets. Then load it. I already set up render presets. If you want to see those settings, please check out my next video. Next we will give material, so we have to press M on the keyboard. Click the standard option. Then click vray material. I want to give steel material to the object, so I am giving black color in diffuse, black color in refract also, and the white color in reflect. R glossiness is 0.75 and the refract glossiness is also 75. Next I will give the material on cylinder. Select second slot and the same procedure of vray material. White color in diffuse. Then click assign and show. If you want to give some glossiness on the cylinder, and the refract glossiness is also 75. Then select next slot. Same procedure of vray material. Black in diffuse, black in refract, and grey in reflect. R glossiness is 0.75. Then click assign and show. Okay, so material part is done. Now I want to put light inside the lamp. So go to the light option and select the vray. Then select vray IES. Click the none. So I will choose the 18 number of IES light. Select and open. Then drag it down. Adjust properly on the top view. Now we have to keep the lamp in the room. So select the lamp and move it in the room. Now I will give the camera for the render. Adjust it properly in the front view. Next I will give the simple vray light in the room. Then go to the modify, select option and click invisible. And give multiplier is 20. Okay, so here I will change some vray settings. And click the render. And here is our final output. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification